I'm Christina from The Organic Spade and welcome to my channel. So, if you haven't guessed alright, plant mail yet again. So this time it is not your regular tropical plants that I would normally buy and unbox. I went in for air plants. I don't know what you call it. How do you pronounce the actual name? It's Tillandsia Ionantha. I think that's how you pronounce it. Not sure. I'm gonna have to learn how to pronounce this. I think it's Tillandsia Ionantha. Why do these names why are they so freaking complicated? Okay, I'm just gonna call it air plants. All right. So I got this from an online nursery called Plantae Paradise. I just came across the website 2 days ago, placed an order, and the plant is already here. It's actually 3 plants. So they had 2 listings. One was for like a single plant, and one was for a set of 3, and that's what I went for. So without further ado, I'm going to start unboxing. Now, what I really liked about their website was, 1, it looked good. 2, I loved their shipping options. So when you fill in your you fill in the checkout form, and the next step is shipping. So there they actually show you all the shipping service providers, and you can choose. So they had FedEx, they had DTDC, they had some other. I think there were 5 of them there. You know what? Just hold on. I am struggling to figure out where to cut this from. Okay, so what was I saying? Yeah, about shipping. So they give you options. So you can choose your shipping provider. Each provider comes with like the estimated delivery date and shipping cost. So you can choose your preferred one. Like, I was really happy that they had FedEx on the list. It was actually the cheapest on the list and the quickest to arrive. So that's what I chose for my shipping. I think, okay, so the set cost me 440 rupees, I think, and with the shipping it was 600 odd. Yeah, I think it was 600 odd with shipping, but worth it. Okay, so I finally got this open. So yeah, so I've been to like tons of, like, I've bought plants online tons of times, but I've never come across an e-commerce website that lets you choose your shipping company, like your preferred shipping company. I thought that was pretty cool. I really like that. Okay, so they have, put this on top. This is how it was packaged. Pretty neat, I think. And there is a note in here. What is this? Okay, this is my invoice, and it says, "Hi, thanks. You will find care instructions on the website. Click on Plant Care tab or plantaeparadise.com/blog." Okay, cool. So they do provide plant care on their website itself, on their blog. So if you don't know how to take care of these plants, you can check their blog out. Wash hands after handling and unpacking. Plant grade antifungal used on plants to prevent rot in transit. This is good information. Wash hands after handling. Got it. Will do. And okay, now they've got 1, 2, 3, 4. There's supposed to be 3. It's a set of 3. What is this? Oh, okay. This is the complimentary plant. Our small way of saying big wala thanks. If happy, do write out a review on our reviews page on our website. Oh, I'm definitely going to write you a review, provided the plants are still alive, which I'm sure they will be. So this is the complimentary one. I don't know what it is. So I'm going to have to just open it. I am really sweating. The weather has really gotten hot here. And I obviously have the fan switched off because otherwise there's a lot of audio disturbance when filming. So I'm just trying really hard to get done with this really quick. Oh, Look at this. It's so cute. Look at this. It's a little baby. And I think I dropped the leaf. But okay, it's a little baby. See that? Can you see? Is it focusing? Here it is. It's already got some roots. Right here. The roots seem a little dry right now, but yeah, it's got some really nice roots there. To be honest, I have never ever had an air plant. I don't have experience with air plants, so I don't know what to do with these now that I have them. But I did read somewhere that when you it was another air plant nursery, I think based in US, and they had like a guide on what to do when you first receive air plants in mail, and which said that you should soak them for at least 30 minutes to an hour. So I'm just gonna go with that for these ones right now. I'll just soak them for 30 minutes and hydrate them. They're probably pretty stressed with the transit and all of that. What is this? Ooh, this one has some nice color on it. I can see some red. Oh yes. Oh, freaking shit. It has a pup attached to it. Okay, so this is another one. Can you see the little reds on the tips? I don't know if you can see that, but if you can, okay. So this happens when they're like entering the blooming phase. So it turns red and then finally it'll bloom, and so that's when it also gives pups. So if you can see, I'm gonna try and get some close up for you guys later on, but it's got pups. How many pups are there? I can see one. I can see two. Okay, so I can see two pups on this one, and it has roots, and it's really cute, and I like it, and I hope I don't kill it. Okay, so that's my second one, and they have really packaged this well. There's straw like inside this box as well, so it is really well cushioned, and plus they wrapped it in a good amount of tissue, so no damage. And since it was FedEx, I knew that it would be handled really well. So if you notice, the box wasn't even slightly damaged. It was like in perfect condition. That's why I love FedEx so much. At least here in India, FedEx is good with plants. I'm not sure other parts of the world, but in India, FedEx is really good with plants. I've always had an amazing experience with them. Yay, another one. I'm so excited. And this one has pups too. Oh, maybe once these pups grow like big enough, I can do a air plant giveaway. I haven't done a single giveaway on my Instagram, or maybe a YouTube giveaway. Here you go. Again, it's in good condition and it's entering its like blooming phase. And it's got pups. This one has two pups as well. Yeah, it has two pups. And I'm going to drop it with, okay. It has two pups as well. So yay. That's number 3. And this one is going to be number 4. I can't believe they gave me a complimentary one. That was a surprise. Yay! Number 4, air plant number 4. I can't make out if this one has, if this is a pup. Oh yes, it does. It is a pup. It is a pup. So okay, 3 out of 4 of them already have pups. See? I don't know if you can see that. It's right about there, that little thingy there. Yay! Okay, fine. So, you guys have to check them out. It is called Plantae Paradise, and I think they keep they have when I checked their catalog on their website, they don't have like normal plants. Like it's it's collector's plants. You know, like even when it comes to cactus and succulents, they have the collector varieties with them, all at a very fair price. So I really did like, I mean, 400 and what, $40 for a set of 3, and plus your shipping, and I got a freebie, so I'm happy. I have 4 really nice, cute little air plants that I have no idea what I'm gonna do with. If you guys have any like DIY suggestions for hangers or something, you know, to hang air plants, like I've seen on Instagram people put them in like a glass container, glass jar, and then they put them in there and they hang them. It's called what, on a macrame? It's called macrame kind of thingy. I don't have any of that. I'm gonna have to buy. I don't have any of that, so I don't know what to do with them right now. I'll probably just soak them for 30 minutes, hydrate them, and then keep them somewhere in the house till I make arrangements for their permanent place. I might do a DIY for these guys, create a hanger or something like that. I'll have to search my house to see if I can find any nice glass jars. They look gorgeous in glass jars because they're just so showy, you know, with their colors, and especially once they enter further into the blooming phase and they get really nice vibrant colors and then pull out really nice purple bloom, they look gorgeous. So in a glass jar, perfect. So alright, I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, please do subscribe and give it a thumbs up, and follow me on Instagram for more planty videos and content.